In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Microsoft Planner Plan ID. If you need to find the unique ID for a Microsoft Planner plan, the good news is that it's a very quick process once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple method directly from inside Microsoft Planner using the export feature. This is especially helpful if you need the plan ID for integrations, automation, documentation, or troubleshooting. Start by opening the Microsoft Planner plan you want to work with. Once you are on the plan page, look at the top area of the screen next to the plan name. You'll see the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click those three dots. This menu gives you access to additional actions for that specific plan. After the menu opens, look for the option that says Export as Excel and click it. When you do this, Microsoft Planner will generate an Excel file containing data from the plan. Depending on your browser and settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be prompted to save it first. If needed, give it a moment to finish downloading before moving on. Once the export is complete, open the Excel file. This file contains information connected to your planner plan, and that's where you'll be able to locate the plan ID. If Excel opens in protected view or asks you to enable editing, you may need to allow that so you can fully view the contents more easily. Just make sure you're opening the file you downloaded from Planner. After the Excel file is open, you'll be able to see your plan ID in the exported data. This is the unique identifier tied to that particular Microsoft Planner plan. You can then copy it and use it wherever you need, whether that's for a workflow setup, an app connection, or internal reference. A quick tip here. If you're managing multiple plans, make sure you export the correct one, because each plan will have its own unique ID. It can also help to rename the downloaded file or save the ID somewhere organized, so you can find it again later without repeating the process. And that's it. That's how to get a Microsoft Planner Plan ID using the Export as Excel option. It's simple, fast, and a useful trick to know when you need plan details that aren't immediately visible in the Planner interface.